Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I wanted to jump in and talk about Tesla. As of today, the stock has fallen about 5% in a single day. I wanted to jump on and just give an unedited, raw video, really just kind of trying to explain what's going on with Tesla stock. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps me out when you guys do that. So this is by far one of the most common questions I've gotten asked, honestly, probably this month is, Carter, what's going on with Tesla? It's down about 19% this past month, which is crazy, especially for a company like Tesla, which is normally historically outperforming S&P 500, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, different companies. You know, it's just a very popular stock that has had crazy returns. But honestly, in the past 6 months, it's down 31%. It's underperforming a whole bunch of ETFs. So what is going on with Tesla? So as of today, this is the 7th time Tesla has been downgraded. Now, Wall Street right now is not the biggest fan of Tesla. You know, I always think Wall Street for me is something that is very interesting. And the reason why is because they love to fly to stocks that are performing well and ones that aren't. They're like, oh, let's just get rid of it. For me, it's very funny to see. You know, right now they're very into AI. And with that being said, you know, with Google and Microsoft, they released their earnings today. Microsoft put in their earnings AI about 78 times in their earnings report, which is crazy, trying to draw that Wall Street attention to get more buying pressure. It did a good job because it's up 7%. But getting back to Tesla, right now what we're seeing, you know, just in the general economy is just uncertainty. We have high inflation, we have high interest rates. Those two things are just, no one's gonna buy a car. Right now, for all car companies, for all vehicle production manufacturers, for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Tesla, pretty much every car company, they're facing issues, whether it's supply chain, whether it's deliveries, whether it's people buying cars. People don't want to buy cars right now because of these high rates. We're seeing some of the highest rates we've seen since 2008. So people that were possibly looking to buy a car right now are saying, well, why don't I just wait? Why don't I just wait for these interest rates to fall down? That for me is super important, and honestly, I think it's one of the leading causes of these lower, like just a slower economy. That's why we're not seeing Tesla booming up, because no one's buying cars. It's that simple. Now, should you buy Tesla? So the most recent analyst that downgraded, you know, Tesla, pretty much gave a price target that was once $230 all the way down to $180. So right now, for a stock that's trading $150, even if this analyst is right about it hitting its price target after they just lowered it, I think for me, Tesla is just a growth stock. So it's gonna be volatile, but on the flip side, we're gonna see this thing push up. We're gonna see a lot of buying pressure. We're gonna see ups and downs, but Tesla for me is just more than an electric car manufacturer. They're data, they're software, and they're probably one of the biggest AI and artificial intelligence companies of any automobile stock out there. So I just think you have to look at it, you know, 2-5 years down the road. Do you think that right now, you know, just because we've seen some missed earnings, some missed deliveries, do you think Tesla's still gonna be around? Yeah, I think Tesla is just more than the electric auto stock. It's a data company. You know, they have Tesla Solar. They have so much stuff, and I think the long-term outlook is super large. I also think, looking back 2 to 5 years, we're gonna be wishing we would have bought Tesla at these prices. Also, guys, you know, honestly, with Tesla being a growth stock, you have to understand that there's going to be volatility. There's going to be ups and downs. You know, for everybody that invested into Apple 20 years ago, do you think Apple has fallen 20% in a month? Absolutely. Do you think it's been up 100% in a month? Absolutely. You know, you have to just look at things as a long-term opportunity, long-term outlook. Don't look at it day to day. You'll get burned, and your emotions will be very high. Invest in a company that you believe in. If you believe in Tesla, my recommendation, then invest. Invest, dollar cost average it, keep it under 5% of your portfolio, and just invest, right? The reason why, because you don't want to go super heavy into growth stock. You want a dollar cost average it under 5%, and you always can invest more down the road. But guys, that's what I think is going on. I think everybody, the media is making this thing out to be like this, Tesla's closing their doors tomorrow. No, we're just seeing a shaky and uncertain economy that is causing panic and emotion in the market. And obviously anytime you have that, you're gonna have fear and people sell and just uncertainty. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a very, very simple video. I've been busting my butt working. We got a whole bunch of very, very exciting stuff coming out. And guys, we have a fun video coming out tomorrow. We're gonna be talking about how much money I made off Fundrise. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow in our next video. Take care, guys. Peace out.